Vice Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Prabhashankar Shukla, had announced the instructions decision on the implementation of the new Education Policy 2020 in all its affiliated colleges, with special emphasis on skill development. Speaking on the matter, Professor Prabhashankar Shukla said that the decision to implement the new education policy in the state of Meghalaya from 1st of August 2023 is with an objective to reduce dropout percentage of the students and to improve the quality of education and employability of such students in the future.
To involve the colleges for the जो है even to discuss if they are ready to going to include those colleges students in the जो है our जो है employment drive. So in the meeting जो है I think I will be in position to discuss all the things, and also even at the same time will be in position to know that how many are ready, how many are not ready. All I have already the even letters, mails.
Letters issued is different.
Written by the colleges, not by me. I am ready to implement the new education policy. After this, I am going to conduct a meeting with the principal of the colleges.
The Public Relations Officer of NEHU, David Pingrop, while throwing further light on the university's decision to implement the NEP-2020 for the new academic session, informed that the same has been endorsed by the members of the Academic Council in its recent 110th meeting, and also further endorsed by the State Executive Council, which is headed by Professor Shillong.
Students can go for internships for a few weeks or few months and get trained in those centers. Say like university, NEHU is also having many skill development centers here as well as in Turga, as in Vayajar also. So the university can also help colleges in interning those students and taking them as interns. So university is also suggesting, advising the colleges to collaborate with different skill development centers which are in the state, so that students can get well trained, because skill development is one of the key principles of NEP 2020 to make our students skillfully educated.